In this video, we'll learn how to create this silky smooth YouTube UI animation. You can use it for different projects by simply changing the text, screenshot and video, saving you time and speeding up your workflow. So let's get started. Create a new composition and rename it to YouTube UI animation template. YouTube UI. Template and set the width to 1920 and height to 1080 pixels and hit OK. Now let's take a screenshot of the YouTube UI. So go to YouTube and take a screenshot. Press Command Shift and 3 to take the screenshot of the whole screen. Then done. Now rename your screenshot to YouTube UI screenshot. UI screenshot. Now let's import our video and screenshot to After Effects. Drag your screenshot to this folder to create a new composition and do same with the video. Okay. Make sure to adjust your screenshot to the screen size, also the video. My screenshot and video is already adjusted. So I'll just go to the main composition. So I'll drag it to the right. Okay. Now drag your screenshot composition and video composition to the timeline. Okay. Let's mute our video and hide our video for now. Now let's just focus on the screenshot. I'll just scale it down. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. Now create a new solid layer. New. Right click here, go to new and then solid. Select this tool and select this white and create OK and hit OK. Now drag your solid layer to down. Okay. Now duplicate this screenshot layer 7 more 6 times. Press Command and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Now let's mask out each part. Let's zoom in. Okay. Now select this layer and this tool and mask out the description. Let's see. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's rename it to description for better arrangement. Description. Now it's time for channel info. Select the two and mask it. Now select the 6th layer and we'll do the same thing with the menu, YouTube logo, search box and mic. So select the mask layer and mask out the menu part. Then select the 5th layer and mask out the YouTube logo. Then 4th layer and mask out the search box. Okay, it's perfect. Now the microphone. Let's move it down a little bit. Okay, it's perfect. Now what we have to do is fit, unhide the video layer. Select the video layer and scale down. I think 30 will be fine. Let's put 30 here. Yes, I think 30 is fine. Let's zoom in and adjust it. Let's see other corners. Yeah, it looks perfect. Now we need to round up the corners. To round up the corners, we need to apply eye effect named roughen edges. So select this effect and drag it to the video layer and set the edge sharpness to 10 and fractal influence to 0, and let's set the border to 100. Yeah, 100 is fine. Let's see how it looks. It looks good now. Now let's add our text layer for the video title. Select text and click here. Now write our video title. To animate YouTube UI in After Effects. Okay. Now let's adjust the position. Okay. The font I'm using is Roboto Bold. Actually, this original font and this one is same, and you can get this font in the Adobe website. I will give the link in the description. Okay. Now let's create fit. Now hit you. Okay. Now rename this each layers. This is channel info. And this is menu. And this is search box. Oh, sorry, this is logo. And this is search box. Yes. And this is mic, our last element. Okay, done. Now what we have to do is select from description, then hit shift and select up to mic and connect this layer to our video layer, and also connect the text layer to the video layer. Now let's delete our third layer, that is our screenshot that we don't need. Okay, you can see it looks good now, and we have to adjust this one a little bit. So let's take it to the center. Okay, now let's adjust these two parts, the search box and the microphone. Then search box, press shift and select the microphone. The hold shift and take it to the left. Okay, perfect. I think we can take the microphone a little bit upwards. Yeah, it looks fine now. Let's see how it looks. Okay, our arrangement is done. Now we'll animate each part. So zoom into the timeline, go to the 1 second and select all the parts. Mic and all, press command and select also text layer and hit P and set a keyframe here. Then go to the 1 second. Now we'll animate each part one by one. Now the description and the channel info and the text. Press command to select text. Now drag it down. Make sure to hold shift. Now let's put some gap. Between these three layers to animate in different times. Okay, this is fine now. Now let's do the same with the upper elements. That means menu, YouTube logo, search box and microphone. Select the layers, shift to microphone. Now let's drag it upwards. Now let's put it more upwards. This one more upward, and this one to the top. Sorry. Make sure to hold shift for each box. Okay, Now let's see. Okay, it's done. Now for smoother animation, select all the keyframes. Select all the keyframes. Right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease. Then go to graph. Select all the keyframes. We'll take this part to the center. Okay, and it's done. Our first part is done. Let's see how it looks. Press you. Yeah, it looks good. It is lacking in my After Effects, I don't know, but in the original video after export it will look clean and smooth. Don't worry about that. Okay, now let's animate our second part. Go to 1 second and select the video and click here, then transform, then set a keyframe to position and scale, then take this to 2 seconds and scale it up to 100%. Sorry, 51 will be fine, I think. Yeah, 51 will be fine. And let's align it to center. Okay, I think I need to take this down manually. Okay, position to center. Sorry. Okay, I think I did it manually. So let's take it to center. Okay, that's fine. Now select the keyframes and right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease for smoother animation. Now let's see. Okay, it's a lot of smooth now. Okay, our basic part is done. Now let's hide it. For more smooth, let's apply some motion blur to all this. Okay, not the background. Okay, so our basic animation is done, but for more professional look, let's apply some more effects. So create a new adjustment layer, right click, new, then adjustment layer, and rename it to blur. Then applying a blur effect, fast box blur effect. Okay, now drag it the adjustment layer and set it to 4. Okay, the whole screen is blurred now, but we need to blur the outside part or the inner part, so we need to apply a mask. So click the rectangle tool, let's select the ellipse tool. Okay, now double click here. Okay, now click here, then sorry, where is the add-on? Okay, here, so change it to subtract. Okay, so the inner part is now not blurred, but the outer part is. Now let's adjust it. Now hold shift and take it upward. Okay, now this part a little close, this one also a little close. Okay, so yeah, it's now perfect, I guess. Okay, it's done. So let's close this. Okay, so you can see it very harsh here. To make it more smooth, click here, then set the mask filter to 400. So you can see now it looks smooth and a lot better. Now let's add some vignette effect to make it look more professional. Drag it to the adjustment there. And yeah, I think 100 will be fine. Let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see it looks very much professional. Now let's see the whole video, the animation part only. I don't know, but for some reason my After Effects is lagging, but the original video is smooth. So let me show you how can you use this for different projects. So what you have to do, just go to the video composition file, then drag the video you want to put it here. Let's see. For example, I will put this video for the UI animation. Okay, now let's scale it up. Okay, now if we go to the main composition, we can see the video is changed. Okay, the video is changed, you can see. I think we need to scale the video a bit more. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the video here is changed, and if you want to change the text, just select a text layer and you can put the text you want. Now let's see how our video looks. Let's read this. Okay, you can see it looks very much clean and professional. So this was all. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to leave a comment if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.